Hello music lovers. Today I'm going to unbox JBL PARTYBOX Club 120 and we'll do the audio check as well. This speaker delivers clear, dynamic sounds and deeper bass even at top volume. The power output of this speaker is 160 watt. It comes with AI bass boost features and Bluetooth 5.3 technology. Okay, now let's check what's inside. After unbox the speaker, I have found 4 power cable with different power plugs. And there is a user manual and warranty card. Before using this product you must read the user manual. That will help you to know all the available features and how to use it properly. So here I have found total 4 power cable. But I need only 1 cable to give it power. So keeping one and putting the rest somewhere else. The speaker was covered with this very nice soft cover. There is all navigation and power button on the top part. And I have to connect the power cable here in the back side on the bottom. In the middle part there is a battery compartment. And the battery can be easily removed. This Li-ion polymer 34-wear battery is equivalent to 7.2 V and 4277 mAh. And it takes 3.5 hours to full charge and gives up to 12 hours music play time. On the top part there is the most important thing for musician. Here you can see several audio ports to connect microphones, guitar and USB port, line in and line out ports. Before starting it, you must download this JBL PARTYBOX apps from the Play Store or App Store. This apps has so many useful features. With Auracast and stereo mode you can connect multiple JBL speaker and play them together. You can control the RGB light effects. Effect Lab to make party sound effects. Volume control, bass boost and different equalizer moods. Even you can tune bass, treble, mid by yourself from custom edit option. Okay, now the charge is full. Let's turn it on. Now I'm going to do some audio check. Please wear your headphones for better sound.
let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future needed clarity, so I could see.